Want to beat joint pain without the hassle? Jump in with us as we reveal 13 secret foods that can help repair your joints and boost your flexibility. Stay tuned to learn how simple changes to your diet can make a big difference. Imagine eating certain foods could actually ease your joint pain. Cool, right? Well, it's true. We've found 13 awesome foods that work like magic on your joints. They do 3 amazing things: calm down swelling, repair wear and tear, and give your joints the boost they need to stay strong. This isn't about weird diets or foods you can't pronounce. It's about tasty, everyday eats that can make a big difference in how your joints feel. So, by picking the right snacks and meals, you're on your way to moving more easily and with less ouch. This journey's going to be fun and easy to follow. Whether it's for you or someone you care about, these food tips could make a big difference. Let's get started and make those joints happy again. Ready? Let's go picture your joints as the wheels of a bike. When they're stiff or damaged, every pedal feels harder. But here's a secret. The right foods can turn things around, and we're here to show you how. Number 1, cabbage, the super veggie. Let's zoom in on cabbage, a real game changer for your joints. Packed with vitamin K for strong bones and vitamin C to boost collagen, that's the stuff that keeps your joints working smoothly, cabbage is a superhero in the veggie world. But wait, there's more. It's got something called sulforaphane, a natural compound that tells inflammation to take a hike. Whether you munch it raw or toss it into a soup, cabbage helps keep your joints happy and healthy. Number 2, omega-3. Rich foods, beyond the sea. Let's talk omega-3s. They're like a secret weapon against joint pain. You've probably heard about getting them from fish, but there's a cool plant option too. Algae supplements are a great pick for anyone looking to keep things green or if you're not into fish. These tiny plants are packed with the good stuff your joints love, helping to calm down inflammation and make moving around easier. Whether you're into seafood or prefer plants, getting more omega-3s in your diet can really help with those achy joints. Number 3, olive oil, the healthy oil. Think of olive oil as your joint's best friend. The secret? It's all about the oleocanthal, a natural ingredient in extra virgin olive oil that acts a lot like ibuprofen, helping to dial down the inflammation that makes your joints sore. But not just any olive oil will do. You want the good stuff, extra virgin and cold pressed, because that's how you get all its benefits. Splash it on your salads or use it in your cooking at low heat to help your body soak up all its goodness. Number 4, seeds and nuts, small but might. Walnuts and Brazil nuts are tiny treasures filled with nutrients that help calm inflammation. Walnuts have alpha-linolenic acid and Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, both great for easing swollen joints. Soaking these nuts makes them even healthier and easier for your body to use. Adding just a handful to your daily meals or snacks can really help your joints and make you feel better overall. Mixing these nuts into your breakfast, like sprinkling them over oatmeal or blending them into smoothies, is an easy and tasty way to include them in your diet and get their joint-friendly benefits every day. Number 5, Moringa, the nutrient-packed miracle. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. This plant has a lot of antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and quercetin, which are really good at fighting swelling and damage in the body. These problems often cause joint pain. Moringa helps calm these issues down, making it easier for people with sore joints to feel better and move around more. You can easily add Moringa to your diet by drinking it as tea, sprinkling the powder on food, or taking it in capsules. Next in line is number 6, aromatic herbs, flavors of healing. Herbs like thyme, oregano, and rosemary make food tastier and have special ingredients that help reduce swelling, such as rosmarinous acid and carvacrol. Using these herbs in your meals often can help balance your body's defense system. This is especially good for people with joint problems caused by their immune system attacking their own body, like arthritis. Plus, these herbs are easy to add to any dish, making them a simple way to help your joints feel better. Number 7. Black seed oil, an ancient elixir. Black seed oil made from Nigella sativa seeds is packed with thymoquinone, an ingredient that's great at reducing swelling and protecting your cells. Taking just a teaspoon every day by itself or drizzled over salads can help decrease signs of swelling in the body and support the health of your joints. This simple addition to your daily routine can offer a significant boost to your joint health, making it easier to move and stay active without discomfort. Number 8. Avocados, a treasure for your joints. Avocados are packed with nutrients that are fantastic for your joints. They're rich in vitamins, potassium, and beneficial fats that work together to reduce inflammation and support the health of your joints. Including avocados in your diet not only helps keep your joints moving smoothly, but also contributes to your overall well-being, keeping you active and vibrant. Their creamy texture and delicious flavor make them a versatile addition to meals, enhancing your diet while promoting joint comfort and flexibility. I'm curious to know, which of these anti-inflammatory foods have you found most effective for your joints? Comment below. But before I go to an end, let me share some important diet tips for dealing with joint issues. Eating lots of different healthy foods is the way to go for keeping your joints happy. Make sure to eat a mix of things to get all the good stuff your body needs. And try to stay away from too much sugar, white bread, and bad fats because they can make inflammation worse and add extra pressure on your joints. Remember, eating right is super important, but it's not the only thing. Doing exercises that are easy on your joints, like swimming or yoga, helps a lot. Keeping a healthy weight is also key. And don't forget to relax and clear your mind sometimes. Things like meditation can help you handle pain better and keep stress down, which is good for fighting inflammation. And there you have it. We've walked through 13 incredible foods that are not just delicious, but your joints' new best friends. From calming inflammation to repairing damage and giving your joints that much needed strength, it's clear that what you eat can have a big impact on how you feel. By making these smart food choices and staying active, you're not just looking after your joints, you're opening the door to a life full of movement and less pain. It's amazing how making small changes in what you eat can lead to big improvements in your quality of life. Every meal is a chance to make your joints feel better. We hope you've had fun learning about foods that are good for your joints. Keep eating those foods that help your joints stay strong and healthy. Your journey to feeling better is just starting. Let's keep making good food choices together. Here's to feeling great. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite joint-friendly food? Got any yummy recipes or tips? Share them in the comments. And if you've found a great way to eat well for your joints, tell us about it. Thanks for being with us on this journey to better joint health. Eating right isn't just about avoiding junk. It's about enjoying foods that make you and your joints happy, one meal at a time. Keep trying new things and moving in ways that feel good. If you like this guide, hit like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, happy life. Check back for more easy advice on taking care of your joints. Here's to your health and keeping those joints happy.